We are back, and today we are going to practice using our Solfa signs. Before we do though, let's quickly go over the ones we've learned so far. If you haven't seen the previous video, make sure to visit our website to stay up to date. At the bottom of the staircase, we have Do. Let's hear you. Then we have Re. Your turn. And then Mi. Go. Oh, well done. Then we skip the next one and jump straight to So. Your turn. Then the most recent one we learned, La. Go. And to the very top, Do. Now let's keep going up the staircase. Re. And again, Mi. Oh, it's getting very high. So. Whoa. La. I'm going up to space. Do. Well done, everyone. Now let's try going backwards. I'll go first, then you try. Do. La. So. Mi. Re. Do. Let's go down one more staircase. Do. La. So. Mi. Re. Do. Fantastic! Well, I guess we are ready for our first activity time! Hey. Let's all stand up! Oh, let's shake out each of our hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now our legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah. Now a gentle siren. Ooh. And back up. Ooh. Brilliant! For this activity time, we are going to sing the signs that appear here. We will get 2 chances to get it right for each one. Oh, hey! Let's go. So, mi, so, mi. So, mi, so, mi. Well done, and a new one. Hey, here we go. So, la, la, so, so, mi. So, la, la, so, so, mi. Oh, and a new one. Here we go. Do, re, mi. Your turn. Well done. Do, re, mi. Well last one. Oh, here we go. So, do, do. So, do, do. Fantastic! You've just completed your first activity time! Hey! Wow, that is amazing! Okay, question time! What is the sign for La? You've got 5 seconds. Wow, well done. It looks like this. Second question. What is the symbol for Ray? Fantastic. Well done, guys. It looks like this. Finally, what is the sign for So? That's right, it's this! Now that we know our solfa signs so well, we are going to see how fast we can make the signs. But watch out for do. When you see do, it sounds like this. Do. But when you see do, with the stroke beside it, it sounds the same, just higher, like this. Do. Okay, it's time for activity time. Hey! Now that we have so many solfa signs, let's see if we can hear them in our head before we sing them. I'll go first, then you try. In your head. And sing so, mi, so, so. Great, and the next one. Hey, here we go. In your head. And sing do, re, mi, mi, and sing. Well done. Hey, here we go. In your head. And sing do, mi, so, so. Well done, a new one. Hey, here we go. In your head. And sing so, la, so, la. Another one. Hey, here we go. In your head. And sing do, 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 do. Well done, a new one. Hey, here we go. In your head. And sing do, mi, so, do. Wow, you are getting so much faster at hearing the notes in your head. Being able to hear the notes in your head is a special skill that will allow you to hear music without any speakers. Well done! I can't believe how fast we've learned the signs on the solfa staircase. Look, we have just 2 more signs to learn and we'll know every single sign. That means we'll be able to use our secret language to communicate songs to each other without singing. Before we finish up today, I want you to figure out what song I am playing for you. Get a pen and paper, or sing it out loud while I make the hand signals, and see if you can get it. Here is your starting note. Me. Are you ready? Here we go. Did you get it? Let's have another try. Did anyone guess the song? Hands up high if you guessed it. That's right, it's Mary Had a Little Lamb. Amazing. Now we can communicate with our hand signals. Make sure to tune into the next video to find out if we're going to learn those last 2 steps of the staircase that we haven't learned yet. Bye for now, everyone. Bye. We're here at the Irish Institute of Music and Song campus in Balbriggan, County Dublin. Groups visit us from all over Ireland and the world to take part in our music programs. If you like what we do, you can find out more information at our website down below.